Hi, my name is Steve Clark. I'm the Director of Customer Success at OwnerRez, and it's my pleasure to show you another first look of a new feature we've been working on called My Stay. This is a new guest portal that you will be able to offer to your guests. So now, when you open a booking that came in from a channel, you will see that there are these requirements that were part of our BUFIXUP process before. So you would have a field code in a template that has the BUFIXUP link. That doesn't change. You're still going to send them that template with the link. It's just now when they follow that link, it's going to be a much better process. Um, Also, just as a point of reference, generally you will send this through a template, but if you did need to send the link manually, you could access it here to get the link. It can also be accessed under transactions and request booking cleanup link. Takes you to the same place. So when the guest is sent to this, however you send it to them, they are presented with this checklist style now interface that is very clear that here are the steps they need to finalize their booking. So they'll click here to get started. And the first step is they will be confirming their contact info. And as you know, when it comes from a channel, some of this will be pre-filled in, but it does give the guest the opportunity to update it if maybe the information was inaccurate. Also, if you're using custom fields, you just like you did on BUFIXUP, this gives them that opportunity to fill that in. So I've filled in the parking info here, and I can continue on to the next step of the process. So the next step is the renter agreement. So they read through, and in a perfect world, they would sign that agreement. But as we all know, sometimes a guest might have questions. They might say, before I sign this, I want to ask something. So let's say they canceled out of it or they go back to My Stay. Before, if they canceled out, they didn't have a clear way back, first of all. But here, too, it's very clear that they confirmed step one, but they still have additional steps they need to do to finalize their booking. If we go back into the booking as the host too, what's really awesome that we didn't have before is now you can see that they open their link and you can see what steps they have or have not done. So this is a very clear signal that maybe you need to email them back. Hey, I see you updated your contact info, but you didn't sign the renter agreement. Is there an issue? And maybe you give them that BUFIXUP link again so they can go back and finalize it. So anyways, when they come back in, they would click continue and it would take them right back to where they were in that process. So now they're going to sign the renter agreement and they'll continue on to the next step. Next step is to get the security deposit information. Just realize if you're not doing security deposits, they would not be shown the screen, but they need to enter in a credit card if there is not one already on file. So once they've entered that, it's going to then give them the receipt that, this was completed and move them to the last step, which is the travel insurance to help them protect their booking. Gives them all those details. They can read more about that and they can decide, do they want to add it or do they want to skip this? So for now, I'm going to skip it and it takes us back to the completed My Stay page where it's very clear to them what they've done and what they haven't done. Travel insurance, they declined it, but maybe after thinking on it, they decided they want to add it. This gives them a clear path back to go back in and change that choice if they wanted to. So that's something that maybe you didn't have before. Also, if they needed to update their contact info, they can do that from here. Rental agreement right now is still processing, but once it's done, there would be a button here to download the rental agreement. There's also these nice links where they can add it to a Google Calendar and they could click and see the map of where your property is now that booking is completed. And lastly, like all our other forms, it is able to be shown in other languages. So if you have a property, in Mexico or something, and the guest prefers to see this all in Spanish, they can do that. So yeah, really excited about this. Just realized this is version 1. So this really lays the groundwork for upcoming enhancements. We are working on a guest verification feature that would be added to this. Also, maybe the possibility to add upsells to help you generate more revenue could be right on this page. And even a way for them to message you directly. So the goal is for the guest portal to be something that the guest, checks often leading up to the days of their stay. So hopefully this, is better visibility for the guest, but also better visibility for you as the host, as now you'll be able to clearly see when all the requirements are met and that this booking is good to go. So yeah, that's a first look. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we look forward to improving it even further in the future.